Well, I wouldn't believe it if I didn't do it myself or witness it. I just was heading back to the vehicle and stuck my shovel in the ground on the side of this bank, and lo and behold, a marble. That is marble number 8 for the year. It's got a nice color to it. Blue and white. Baby blue and white with a dark blue line through it. Right on. Well, catch you later. One more thing. Mikey O, caught up to you, buddy. Tied at 8. Hey, check it out, folks. Took a couple more scoops and I dug this up. An ornate. Looks like it might be brass or copper. This hole up here's threaded, so something screwed into it. Cool. I'm gonna keep that. I do all this digging anyway just to collect stuff. I saw a little bit of it, but not much. I just enjoy doing it. Right on. Okay, I'm gonna keep digging away. See what else we can get out of here. Got my first bottle find. It's a little amber. It's a screw top, but I've been collecting these little ambers. They come in all different shapes and sizes. I like them. They look nice on a shelf. Alright, let's see what else we can get out of here. Check it out, folks. See that little hole in there? Little square bottles just come out of there. This is it. I just made my weekend right there. Poison. Liquid iodine. It's got the skull and crossbones on it. That's the second one of those I found. Found one last year. Sweet. I love it. And it's complete. No chips or cracks. Oh. Whew. That makes me happy. Right on. Catch you later. And look what we got on the shovel. Marble number 9. Mike-O, just passed you, buddy. TOH, you got some digging to do, my friend. Once the rain stops. Digging with Deej. I must be getting close. Look at that beauty. Wow. That is a nice one. Right on. Alright. Check it out, folks. I think this is that uranium glass. And I think I found all the pieces to this. Might be one piece missing out of it, but I'm going to take it and glue it back together. I just peeled up this moss. I see there's a bottle here and one down here. Okay, that one's broke. This one here. It's a screw top. I don't know if you can read that or not. It says worm Exterminator. On this side it says Mother Graves. Worm Exterminator. First time I found one of those. That's a keeper. Alright, on to the next. I can't believe it, folks. I'm still down here, and I popped out another poison bottle. You believe that? Wow. There's that one. And the other one I got in my bag here. Look. 2 of them. Right on. Oh man, that is awesome. Catch you later. Okay, folks. Look at this. Marble number 10. Look at that beauty. Wow, man. Wow. That is gorgeous. This has got to be probably one of the best digs I've ever had. Alright, I might actually get out of here for now. Come back another day. Catch you later. Back home with cleanup, folks. This is everything we're looking at here. Ink bottle. This here's a Corey filter rod. It's broke on the end. There, and I don't know, that's probably from the 50s. Everything here seems to be from like the 40s or 50s. Couple cobalts. I really like those ones there. Rubber ball. Sucker can bounce. Check out the lines and stuff on that. Nice little amber bottle. Jordan cap. I just took it to find out what it was. It's a wine cap to a wine bottle. This little thing here, it's got a metal cap on it, and it's a perfume or cologne or something. This here, I'm guessing, might be from like a door knocker. I don't know. That's threaded. That hole's threaded, and this hole up here is threaded. It's got that flaming thing on it. I just don't know. It's decorative anyways, I like it. There's that thing there, looks like a handle. This here is embossed on the bottom. ODO-RO-NO. That's a woman's deodorant from the 50s. This here is Mother Graves Worm Exterminator. That's self-explanatory. That's from the 50s. It's for stomach worms. Found those 2 liquid iodine poison bottles. Check it out. I was happy about that. Those were the best finds of the hunt. Cool beans. Another one there. This one here is embossed Freezone, and that's a corn and callus remover from the 50s as well, I'm guessing. And there's the 3 marbles, a green one, red one, and a blue one. I'll put those in my marble jar for 2019. That's what I got so far. And this here is I'm guessing it's a handle for something. It's got a hole in there too. And that hole's threaded. Maybe those 2 things go together, I don't know. Anyways, that's it. Oh yes, this thing here. Uranium glass. I was going to put it back together, glue it, but it's too jagged and sharp and pieces missing, so there it is anyways. Kind of cool. Probably made in the 40s and threw away in the 50s. Okay. We'll catch us all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Happy hunting.